Before you buy a kitchen faucet, watch this, because a simple design can actually make your daily work much easier. Many people choose a faucet just for looks, but later struggle with low pressure, limited space, or poor performance. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you a simple 3-step review of this faucet so you can decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen. Let's dive in. Design. This faucet comes with a clean chrome finish that gives your kitchen a simple and classic look. It uses a 2-handle design with clear hot and cold indicators, making temperature control easy and precise. The high arc gooseneck spout is one of its best features, giving you more space under the faucet, especially useful when washing large pots and pans. It also includes a separate side sprayer, which adds extra flexibility for cleaning. Features. When it comes to performance, this faucet delivers strong water pressure, which makes washing dishes faster and easier. The handles are smooth and easy to turn, so adjusting water flow feels effortless. The side sprayer works well for rinsing dishes, cleaning the sink, or reaching corners that a regular faucet can't. This combination of strong flow and flexible cleaning makes it very practical for everyday use. Durability. This faucet is designed for long-term use. The internal valve is tested for hundreds of thousands of uses, which means fewer leaks and consistent performance over time. The chrome finish is also resistant to corrosion, helping it maintain its look even after years of use. Based on real usage, this type of faucet can perform reliably for years without major issues. Installation is also simple, with a standard deck-mounted design that fits most kitchen setups. So if you're looking for a simple, reliable faucet that gets the job done without complications, the Delta Windemere Chrome Kitchen Faucet 21996LF could be a great option. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next video.